Welcome to the In English Coffee Office. Today is Sunday, January 25. And like every morning, David and Alex are at the coffee machine.
Good morning, Alex.
Good morning, David.
How are you today?
I am fine, thank you. And you?
I am a little tired.
Why are you tired?
I have a lot of work. Sales are crazy right now.
I understand. My project is also very busy.
We need coffee, definitely.
Yes, we do. I need a large coffee.
Me too. Black coffee for me.
I like mine with milk and sugar.
Is the machine working well?
I think so. It is making a noise, but it works.
Good. I cannot start my day without coffee.
I agree. It is the most important part of the morning.
So, did you read the news this week?
I read a little bit. Why?
There are some interesting stories.
Which ones?
Did you see the Wall Street Journal on January 21?
I am not sure which story.
It is about money in Europe.
Oh, the article about cash?
Yes, the cashless Europe plan.
That is a big story.
It says the European Union wants to stop using cash by 2030.
Yes, no more coins, no more paper bills.
Everything will be digital.
That is very fast. 2030 is only 4 years away.
I know. As a salesperson, I think it is interesting.
Why do you think that?
Digital payments are faster. It is good for business.
Maybe, but what about privacy?
Privacy is important, of course.
If everything is digital, the banks know everything you buy.
That is true. They know if I buy too much coffee.
Exactly. And what about old people?
My grandmother likes using cash.
My father does too. He does not like apps on his phone.
It will be difficult for them.
The article says many people are angry.
Yes, people like to have options.
I use my card for everything, but I like having $20 in my pocket.
Me too, just in case the system fails.
Imagine if the internet goes down.
Then we cannot buy anything.
That is a scary thought.
It is, but technology is moving very fast.
Speaking of technology, did you see CNN's yesterday?
You mean January 22?
Yes. There was a crazy story about dreams.
Oh, I saw the headline, the dream recorder.
Yes, a startup company called Somnium.
They say they can record your dreams, right?
Yes, you wear a headband while you sleep.
And it records a video of your dream.
That is what they claim.
That sounds like a science fiction movie.
It does, but they say the technology is real.
Do you want to try it?
No way. I do not want to see my dreams.
Why not? It could be fun.
Dreams are very strange. They are private.
But imagine watching your dream like a movie on your computer.
I think it is too personal.
I want to try it. Maybe I dream about making $1 million.
Or maybe you dream about work.
That would be boring. I do not want to work in my sleep.
The article says doctors are worried.
Why are they worried?
They think it is bad for your brain?
Because of the headband.
No, because people need to rest. Watching dreams is not resting.
That makes sense. We need to sleep to relax.
Also, hackers could steal your dreams.
Wow, that is a crazy idea.
Imagine your boss seeing your dreams.
Okay, you're right. That is a bad idea.
I prefer to keep my dreams in my head.
Me too. Technology is getting too invasive.
Sometimes we need a break from technology.
That reminds me of another story.
Which one?
It was in the New York Times on January 20.
Was it about the weddings?
Yes, the silent wedding trend.
I read that too. It is very controversial.
The article says many couples are banning phones at weddings.
Completely banning them?
Yes, guests cannot bring phones to the ceremony.
And if they do?
They have to pay a fine, like $100.
$100? That is a lot of money.
I know, but the couples want people to look at them, not their screens.
I actually like this idea.
Really? You like it?
Yes, people are always on their phones.
But I like taking photos.
The couple hires a professional photographer for that.
But I want to take a selfie with the bride.
You can do that at the party later.
The article says some guests are very angry.
People are addicted to their phones.
They feel anxious without them.
That is the problem. We need to enjoy the moment.
But what if there is an emergency?
The venue has a phone for emergencies.
I suppose that is okay.
It is nice to see people's faces, not their phones.
True. At the last wedding I went to, everyone was recording videos.
And nobody was clapping.
Exactly, it was a little sad.
So maybe the ban is a good thing.
Maybe, but $100 is a strict fine.
It makes people follow the rules.
I guess so. Would you do it?
If I get married, maybe. What about you?
No. I want my friends to post photos on social media.
You are a true salesperson, David? You like publicity?
Always. Marketing is everything.
Well, these stories are all very intense.
Yes, the world is changing fast.
No cash, recording dreams, and no phones.
It is a lot to think about.
Is your coffee finished?
Yes, it is empty. That was a good cup.
Mine is finished too. I feel more awake now.
Good. We have a long day ahead.
I have a meeting in 10 minutes.
Who is the meeting with?
It is with the design team.
Good luck. They are nice people.
Yes, but the project is difficult.
You can do it, Alex. You are a good manager.
Thank you, David. And good luck with your sales.
Thanks. I have to call 5 clients this morning.
Wow, that is a lot of talking.
It is my job. I like talking.
I know you do.
Hey, are we having lunch together later?
I am not sure. I might be busy.
Okay, send me a message if you are free.
I will. Maybe around 1 o'clock.
Perfect. We can talk more about the dream machine.
Please no. No more scary technology today.
Okay. We can talk about the weather.
The weather is safe. I like that.
It is raining today anyway.
I know. I forgot my umbrella.
Oh no, you will get wet later.
I hope it stops raining by 5 o'clock.
I hope so too.
Okay. I really need to go now.
Me too. My phone is ringing.
Is it a client?
Probably. Or maybe it is the dream company.
You are funny, David. See you later.
See you later, Alex. Have a good meeting.
Time to get to work. Don't forget to subscribe and practice your English every day. You'll see how it just keeps getting better and better. See you tomorrow. Hope you have a fantastic day.